The crypto market is in full panic mode. Bitcoin is looking dicey. We've seen the prices of cryptos across the board basically take a tumble. A huge correction has happened, and it's been like this for a little while, and the price hasn't recovered yet. A lot of people in retail crypto, a lot of people on Twitter are freaking out. You know, they just bought into crypto and it just dumps when everybody's saying that it would go to the moon. What is going on? Is the bull run of crypto still on? I will answer this question, and I think I have some good news for you. And if you are into crypto, I highly recommend you guys subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So, it's no secret that Bitcoin is the driving force behind the majority of the crypto market. If Bitcoin goes up, other coins go up shortly after. If Bitcoin goes down, other coins go down too. So Bitcoin is really the focus. No matter what coin you're into, no matter what bags you're holding, you want to be paying attention to what Bitcoin is up to. For me, I mostly speak about meme coins and, tiny micro caps. But that being said, Bitcoin is still absolutely relevant, hence why I'm talking about it on this channel. So Bitcoin is obviously gone down, like it's hovering around 35k right now, and weekends have typically been pretty bad for the crypto market in general. There's just a lot more whale manipulation and selling going on during the weekends, hence why the price usually goes down at that point for cryptos. But it's been like this for a while. We've been around the 30k mark, the 30 to 40k mark. We've been staying in for quite a while, and a lot of people are worried that the crypto bull run is over, and I would say absolutely not. And I have some very interesting charts that will prove it, that will make you get some confidence, a bit of hopium to go against all this FUD. So I will show you two of the most reliable long-term predictors of Bitcoin's price. For those that don't know what this is, you may be thinking, why am I showing this rainbow on the screen right now? Well, this is the rainbow chart, and it's been pretty freaking accurate when it comes to predicting where the price of Bitcoin is going to go to over a long span of time. As you can see, this goes back all the way to like the genesis of Bitcoin, the first bull run, and we can see that the price very much stays within this red and blue band, and the higher the color, the more it's due a price correction. So we can see that when it comes to these halvings, that's pretty much the bottom, and then it doesn't take long until we hit what is basically the long term, and then it basically hits a peak and then goes back down, and the cycle repeats. This is what a bull run is. This is how the halving cycle for crypto works. So we can see that in 2018 we hit 20k, and that was pretty much the peak of everything, and then it went back down to this range, which is basically a fire sale, and it's hovered around. And I bought my crypto around this point in the blue and dark green bands, and right now, as you can see, we were actually headed in a pretty strong point. We're in the FOMO band here, and then it corrected, and now we're back down to the hodl / still cheap band in this rainbow chart. So as you can see, like, there's nothing really out of the ordinary here. By no means have we reached the peak that we've seen in previous bull runs that have reached this top red band and the dark orange. We haven't gotten there yet. Like, we haven't even reached that point. So this is indicative of a short-term correction, because according to this, we're due to hit above 100k this year, according to this rainbow chart. One other really good predictor, a solid long-term macro predictor of Bitcoin's price, has been the stock-to-flow model. Very simply, the stock-to-flow model is basically a way of getting the supply. The stock-to-flow model is one of the best ways to measure where the price of Bitcoin is going to go to, and it's just a pretty simple mathematical formula that is done to basically calculate, how many Bitcoins are being produced and what's the supply, and it's basically just that. And as you can see, the price has very much been predicted by the stock-to-flow model. You can see when the halving happens, you can clearly see how it responds to it. Now, here we are right now. As you can see, we're at the 35k point. If we're bang on according to the stock to flow model, we should be about 63k. But we've seen, you know, the price go below and above the stock to flow line, but very often it corrects back to where it should be in terms of where the stock to flow model predicts it should be. And you can see that historically, for every bull run, there's been points where it's gone above or under the stock to flow line, and right now we're a little bit under. And this isn't really insane. Like, if you would go on crypto Twitter, you would know that people are absolutely freaking out and are really panicked right now about crypto in general and Bitcoin's price. But just looking at this, does this look like this is the end of the bull run? Like, does this look like this is some earth-shattering event? No, it just looks like it's gone a little bit under the stock to flow line. It doesn't really show us that there is a bear market starting. Once we get to this point, which is late 2021, then we should be looking at taking profits and asking ourselves, when is this bear market going to happen? But as of now, we're not really there. I mean, we've still got quite a way, and even after we reach this point, it still goes up. Like, you can see the price usually peaks when this rainbow line is at the yellow mark. And usually when we see yellow, that's probably a good time to sell. And we aren't even at that point. We're still pretty much red. So we've got a long way to go in this bull run, in my opinion. And this just seems like a correction. A big correction. You know, it's definitely dipped below the stock to flow model. But historically, this has been a very accurate way to predict Bitcoin's price. And we're going to hover back to it. You know, according to this, we should be in the 60k range for Bitcoin. And you know, when it gets to that point again, you know what's going to happen. These altcoins are going to pump. These meme coins are going to pump. That's the way it goes. So I hope you guys found this video hopeful. Gave you some hopium. I'll see you in the next video.